Hello, everybody. I am Mr. Klein, and I'm going to walk you through today's activities. I want you to go into Canvas. When you get to Canvas, you select Courses, and then you go to Biomedical Pathway. Do this along with me. So pause the video, go ahead and do that. Next thing that you are going to do is you are going to select the odd day class. There's a separate and not as excellent cohort on even days. You probably don't ever want to go in there. Just pick odd day class. It will come to Unit 1. We're in the Unit 1 calendar. On the Unit 1 calendar, this is where we will have our Zoom links in the future. This is where we have important information. You want to navigate down to today's date, and then you want to click on Course Introduction Agenda Odd Day. All right, so this is going to walk you through everything that we're doing. What I want to talk about is the lab coat activity. So I'm going to click on this. You click on it too. And then the first thing you need to do is you need to make a copy of this for yourself. So go to File, make a copy, entire presentation. And then I want you to, this will be our convention for the whole year, type in your last name, first name, space. Take that, you're gonna make it. I'm gonna wait. All right, here I go. Now I'm ready to go to work. You're going to be doing 3 things in here, 2 of them in the morning, 1 in the afternoon. The first thing that you're going to do is you're going to take this personality test. Now, this personality test it's like a Myers-Briggs test, and it's worth talking a little bit about the personality types, which I've shared for you right here. We want to know your personality type because it tells us a little bit about you. It might tell you a little bit about yourself. And being able to work with personality is really a big part of being able to function in the medical world. So you're going to have these 4 different combinations of opposites. And let's talk about what each one means. The first one is extroversion versus introversion. An extrovert takes their energy primarily from the outside world, whereas an introvert takes their energy primarily from their own internal world. Sensing versus intuition is about how you perceive information. A person that does it by sensing uses their nose and their ears and their eyes and their senses, whereas a person that does it by intuition has this really rich and imaginative internal world that they use to perceive information. Thinking and feeling are opposites as regards how you process information. So thinking would be that you make sense of it within your own head, whereas feeling means that you use your emotions in order to process the information that you receive. Finally, we get to judging versus perceiving, and this is about how you implement the information once you have processed it. You either make a judgment or you continue to perceive the world around you. Okay, so you're going to take that test, and you can get to it just by clicking this link right here. Go through. When you're done, you're going to get a description of your personality type. There will be a 4-letter definition for your personality. It'll be one of these, like an ESTJ or an ESTP. Like this would stand for extrovert, sensing, thinking, and perceiving. Make sure that you remember that. In fact, you're going to write a little bit about it. Here, I want you to tell us whether you agree or disagree with the personality type that you came up with. Also in the morning, I want you to take one more personality test, and that's this one. This one is quick and fun, and when it's done, it tells you what kind of personality you have as an animal. I'm a fox. So that's the morning. In the afternoon, don't do this right now until we've talked a little more about it, but in the afternoon, you're going to take what you learned right here and use it to create your own personal lab coat, where you're going to tell us a little bit about your personality and the things that you are into. Anyway, more about that in the afternoon. I'm going to leave it right there. Why don't you get to work on this and this? That is your activity for the morning.